MQX Quad. Unfortunately, very windy today. Look at these. Look at the trees over there. Very, very windy. So we're gonna have to see what we do today. So this is gonna be a hand launch. Making sure that it's responding. And there we go. There you have it. Alright. Hopefully the camera will be catching it. Quite fast when it wants to be. Very agile. A lot of fun to fly. This is how they fly, I think, in the video for Verizon. Alright, let's try something here that Verizon doesn't do. And that's going to be a roll. Way too high. Drop it a little bit. I'm going to bring it around. And back up. Alright, there we go. And now we're going to do a little loop. Whoa, that's like a loop and a half. Very windy. Hard to control with this wind. I might have lost it. See if I can bring it back. Nope. The good thing is very strong when it crashes. Very, very windy, hard to control. Probably got a ghost of 20-mile-an-hour wind. And as you can see, when they do fall, not much happens to them. Hopefully the camera is recording all this. So I'm gonna put the battery back. I lined it up. I made this little gizmo so the battery doesn't move when I do the loops. And I'm gonna put the canopy. It's amazing that in that little board we have all the electronics. So this is the front, the back, and there she goes. Already very hard to control. Very, very windy. Probably a plane would not fly with this type of wind conditions. These little things fly very much in any condition. So let's do another. Wow, very, very, very windy. Bye guys. Dive against the wind. You dive against the wind. the turns have to be very quick, because look at that, the wind takes it. So I'm not going to make this video much longer so I can feed on YouTube, so I'm going to land it, bring it to me. Hopefully it'll be a hand land, meaning I'm going to land it in my hand if this wind allows me, but it's very difficult. Very, very difficult with this wind. I'm going to have to land it in my hand. There we go. Alright. Bring it back. Now, turn off the camera. You like it?